OpenAI and Broadcom have unveiled the design for Jalapeño, their first jointly made chip. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The companies first announced plans to collaborate on making a custom AI accelerator in October 2025. And now OpenAI called Jalapeño its first intelligence processor and accelerator architected around OpenAI's vision for the future of LLM inference. In simple words, the processor is designed to run its large language models. The AI company claims that so far Jalapeño is offering performance per watt better than current best-in-chip technology. The blog post said the final performance testing is still underway and a more thorough technical report on the chip's performance specs will be released in the coming months. Jalapeño will be put to use in data centers in the next stage, with the initial deployment slated to begin in late 2026. This marks OpenAI's first step into making the chips that it relies on for training and operating its ChatGPT models. The company says it can make its business more efficient and increase how much people will be able to effectively use ChatGPT tools by controlling more components across the process of running an LLM. OpenAI said Jalapeño was co-developed from initial design to manufacturing tape-out in just 9 months, and the speed reflects deep software-hardware co-development with OpenAI's engineering teams, Broadcom's silicon implementation expertise, and the use of OpenAI models to accelerate parts of the design and optimization process. Jalapeño is the first AI accelerator from the Broadcom and OpenAI, and the two have said the collaboration is meant to be a multi-generation compute platform designed to make advanced AI faster, more reliable, and more accessible to more people. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.